Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome. And if you are a visitor, welcome. Thank you for all the love and support that I've been receiving thus far. They mean a lot to me. They mean a lot. They mean a lot. They mean a lot. Thank you for the constructive criticism. Thank you for everything. Just thank you. Thank you, my God. We're growing, fam. We're growing, all my brothers and sisters. We're growing, we're growing. Anyways, as you can read by the title, this video is about practicing to do my edges. If you watch my past videos, you recognize I do not know how to do my edges. And I've said that I have edge control and gel and I do not know how to do my edges. It's a weird flex. But anyways, I'm going to try to do it in this video. As you see, my hair is already in one. Yes, without no edges. So I'm going to try to do my edges. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking some hair all around. Stick some here all around. And then I have my gel. I'm going to take a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing, but I want to try a ting. I have my toothbrush. You don't use this toothbrush to brush your teeth after, No. This is specially for your edges. Don't use it to brush your teeth after, please. And my edge control. Yes. So I'm going to take a little bit of the edge control and rest it on top of the gel. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's try a thing. Or I see them other YouTubers just try. Let's try. And I don't like to stay long doing my hair. That is just one thing. I don't have patience to do my hair. That's the only problem with me. I'm going to take... Oh God, I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh. Swoop. I think it did say you have to swoop it. That look bad. Swoop and swoop. Take more of the edge control. I don't know what I'm doing there. Go on the side. This edge control is strong, trust me. Where you put it on, somewhere it sticks. Take some more. Not bad. I'm trying a thing. Y'all go tell me in the comment section how I went. How it looks. Oh my God. That side looks tight. Next side. And if I put edge control there already. I can't do it, especially. I hope this video don't turn a fail, we. But whether or not it turn a fail, I'm putting it up, so. Please, please, please look good. I done. Cause like that side just like I had to bend that hand like this just to look cute. You see why? I can't do my edges. Edges fail. Not what I did. I need to say swoop it, I swoop in it and it's not working out. I don't know if I need another toothbrush. This one is a hard. I don't know if I need a soft. To do a soft medium and hard. Oh my god, I can do my edges. Oh, I can do my edges. I can do my edges. I'm gonna brush it back up. It looks stupid. Honestly, it looks stupid. I'm just going to tie down my hair. Not like that, you have to tie. You fold it in like this, then you bend it, and you can bend it again, and then you tie it down. That is after you do your edges. I spoil my edges, but I don't want to do that, but I just want to tie down the gel. Yeah. So you could leave it for 30 minutes after you do your edges. I didn't do mine. And then, yeah, voila, it will be done. Don't worry with me, I can't do my edges. Goodbye. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and share the video. Don't laugh at me, don't laugh at me. I can't do my edges. If you could do edges, just link me with a video. Link me. I'm going to see you in my next video, and stay tuned, stay safe, stay cute, stay popping to all my female friends and female lookers who are looking at me and looking at my videos. Just stay popping, stay cute, you know who run the world? Girls. Okay, so goodbye. Like, comment, and subscribe, and always stay tuned for more videos.